Okay, probably the most crucial stage is cooling the beer, because once it's cool, then it's prone to getting bugs in it and bacteria and such, and then you can end up with sour beer. So what we're doing is the hot beer, I got it down to the gravity I wanted, and we're a little under, we're about 5 3/4 of a gallon for volume, but we hit our gravity right on the number. So we'll have a little less beer, but it'll be as strong as the recipe says. So what we're doing now is pumping the beer through this counterflow chiller. And there's a copper tube in the center of this carrying the beer, and then cold water will come in this way and go the opposite direction and chill coming out there in the end. Now the water's not on yet because I wanted you to see this. There's the gauge. So right now we're at about 180 degrees, the liquid going through it. So once I turn on the water, you'll see how quickly it'll drop. And then once it gets down to about, I'd say it gets down to about 90 or so here, maybe into the 80s, then I'll transfer it into the carboy and add some oxygen. So I'm going to turn on the water now. So now you've got the cool water jacketing around that copper pipe inside that black hose. And the water coming out the end over here is pretty hot because you figure you got almost boiling water in there. But look at how quick it's dropping. So once it gets down to a reasonable temperature, such as about 80, if I can get 85 out of the tap water, cooling it, that's pretty good. Then I'll transfer that into the glass carboy, which is all set up and ready to go. That foam you see in there is the sanitizer. So that's it for now.